Hi everyone! Today I thought I'd share something with you that you can make at home really fast. Do you like chocolate cake? Because I love chocolate cake. So today we can make a chocolate cake in a mug. I think everybody has a mug at home, and today we're using things that you can all buy at Home Plus or E-Mart when you go shopping with mommy and daddy. So today we need some flour, you see, and sugar, and you need cocoa powder. This is what makes it chocolatey. And you need some oil and some milk. And this one's called baking powder. Make sure you don't get it confused with baking soda. Today we wanted baking powder, and this is going to make it nice and fluffy. You can use some vanilla. But if you don't have vanilla, that's okay. You don't need to put it in. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to find a tablespoon. So on the spoon it says TVSP or 15 ml. You want something about this size. And first we're going to start with flour. It says we need 3 tablespoons of flour. So I'm going to put in 1, 2, 3. And see, I don't want it nice and fluffy like this. I want to shake off the extra flour. And then we want 2 tablespoons of sugar. So here's my sugar. 1, 2. And the next one is cocoa powder. We have 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And now this time you're going to get your smallest spoon that you have, and you're just going to get a little bit of baking powder. I'm only using half. There's one more ingredient I forgot to tell you about, salt. Now this one you need a pinch, so you're going to take your 3 fingers like this, and you're going to grab some salt like that, and you're going to sprinkle that in there too. And now once we have all of our dry ingredients in, we're going to mix it together. It should look like this. Okay, and now we're going to add our wet ingredients, and we need 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to get my milk. 1, 2, 3. And I need 1 tablespoon of oil. So I'm going to get 1 from my oil and put it in here. And now this is the vanilla. If you want to use vanilla, you can put a few little drops of vanilla in, just like this. There. And that's all you need. And now we're going to mix it all up. Make sure you mix all the way to the bottom so there's no dry parts left. And now you can choose what kind of toppings you want to put. If you want to bake it just like this, you have a chocolate cake. But you can add things like chocolate chips or peanuts. Today I have some almonds that I'm going to put in, and maybe a few peanut chips. And give it another little mix. And now we're going to put it in the microwave. Check it. Just like a cake now. And this is the hardest part. We're going to have to wait for 5 minutes for it to cool down. Okay, and now it's time to eat it. Let's see. Doesn't it look like a nice piece of cake? Mmm. Okay, cut until when I finish chewing. Okay everyone, if you show me a video of you eating your cake, I'll give you 5-star stickers. Enjoy! Bye-bye!